Hey guys, Doug from Carpet Depot. I wanted to talk to you today about hard surface flooring. One of the latest and greatest companies in hard surface is Coretec. Coretec is the originator of the WPC, or waterproof core. What they do is they put a vinyl plank layer on top of an extruded core and then back it with a cork underlayment. This makes a product that's 100% waterproof all the way through. Being an extruded core, it also makes it dimensionally stable. So you won't get the movement in your floor when you get those drastic season changes, especially here in Michigan, like you would a real wood floor or a laminate floor. Coretec is a floating installation. You click it together and you float it over the top of existing vinyl, bare concrete, or bare plywood without the need of any kind of special underlayment. Within the line of Coretec, there are several different levels of realisticness and price. At the starting point, you can get 5 and 7 inch wide planks that are 4 foot long and have some texturing on the top. On the higher end, especially in the HD and the XLE, you get planks that have 4-sided bevel and it's embossed and registered. What that means is that the texturing that they put on the top actually matches the picture that you see underneath it. So if you see a knot, you feel a knot. With Coretec being 100% waterproof, having a more wear-resistant layer than what wood floor does, and costing less than what real wood floor does, gives it its ultimate popularity. We have the complete line here at Carpet Depot, and we do free estimates. So come on in, take out some samples, and let's see what we can do for you today.